So this is the new Google Pixel 4. Obviously it's a brand new phone, great cameras, great new screen, but clearly the best feature is this, the new Pokemon home screen and lock screen wallpaper. You can use the new motion sense camera to wave at the Pokemon. You can double tap him to switch between them, and it has favorites like Pikachu and some of the starters from the upcoming Pokemon game. And each one will do different things through the day. You can tap them and they will fall in love with you, clearly. And double tap them to switch through them, and each one has different kind of gestures and will react as you get the Pokemon wave correct, which I clearly am not able to do. So here's obviously my favorite, Pikachu. He does cute things, different activities through the day, and if you let it linked with the weather, it will change the weather on screen according to what the weather is around you. Is this worth spending $799 for on a phone? Obviously, yes. What we're really interested to see is just how Motion Sense, which uses Google's Solly technology, actually makes really useful use of the radar sensor built into the top. But clearly there's going to be some gaming applications, and I'm curious to see what they are, because already this is pretty cute.